was a great campsite. I'm heading from Minganyu. I'm heading inland now, so done the coastal thing. There's a couple of places I haven't been along that area inland, so I thought I'd go back that way. That was a fantastic campsite, really enjoyed it and would highly recommend it. So next stop, or next place, is Walkaway, 23 k's, and Minganyu is about 99 kilometres away according to that sign I just passed. I love these Google Maps with the directions that you can have. Just makes life so much easier getting out of town. So I'll come back to Geraldton one day and do a bit more filming and have a look around. So onwards and upwards. It looks like a beautiful day out there, and hopefully it's not so windy as it was along the coast. Well, I'm just a few k's out of Walkaway heading to Minganyu and see the wind farm, so I had to stop and have a bit of a look at that. There's got to be, I don't know, 100? Not sure. But they go way down in the distance out there, up on a ridge. So this is where I am. I can actually see the coast out there. Probably an hour from Geraldton. No. Well, still heading south, just passing through Three Springs, and went and had a look at the camping area there. I'll do a separate video on that once I finish this series. So it looked like a nice spot as well, ideal for the wildflower season. I wanted to stop in there's a big salt lake, or a series of salt lakes at the back of Three Springs, and you can drive out there and have a look. I follow another guy called Andrew Marr, M-A-R-R, on his channel, and he does a lot of photography stuff. And one of the videos he did was actually taking photos from above on the salt lake, which quite impressed me. So I thought I'd go out there and have a little play and have a look myself. Well, at Lake Indoon, come out of Eneabba, heading over towards the coast, so decided to stop in here, pretty windy on the coast, but it's just a nice gentle breeze blowing here. It's $5 a night per person, tons of camping area, barbecues, undercover area, toilet and showers, and drinking water supplied as well. So for $5 a night per person, that's pretty good. It's a big lake, it's a ski lake, there's a boat ramp, but beware of the water conditions. It looks dirty, but it's a lot of that is talon and that soaks out of the trees. And it is a wee bit windy, so it has stirred it up a bit. But it's natural water, it's quite a large area. You can see people camped right over the far side over there. So they must have driven around there, because you can see four-wheel drive tracks going around there. Concrete boat ramp. Friday morning. Well, it's Friday morning. And it's time to head home. I'm at Lake Indoon now, and I've just woken up. It's 5:30 in the morning, and it is really weird. There's almost a mist settled in. There's not a breath of wind. Quite a heavy dew on the vehicle last night. All these tiny little bugs. They're not sandflies or mozzies. Don't know what they are. They'll get blown off anyway on the way home. So thanks for visiting. I really appreciate everybody that takes time out to watch and comment, or just give me a thumbs up. So I hope you got something out of this and enjoyed it as much as I did. Keep the shiny side up, and we'll catch you next time.